So this is room tour of an interior room 1457 on the Carnival Freedom. We will start here from the door. Coming in the door, you have 3 closets, standard closets. We'll look at each one, starting with the one closest to the door. Just a standard closet with hangers for all your tall hang-up items. You got an extra blanket in the bottom. The next door, you have some life vests. Let's see if anybody hid anything behind it. No, there is nothing hidden behind the life vests. Another fairly tall closet for your taller items. And this is your 3rd closet. These shelves do fold up, and another blanket, because this room does sleep 3. Spinning around, there is the bed, or the couch I should say, that folds out into a bed. A little table here. There is a little chair which has a bag in it at the moment. Over here you have the vanity mirror. Phone. This does have one 110 plug, so you will need an extra outlet and a converter. If you want to have more, you need to bring those with you. Down here you have drawers. There is your hair dryer. Just a few extra drawers. Inside here, yep, you have your cooler, your mini fridge. Over here you have some extra shelves. Just store some items. A few shelves there. You have over here a lamp on one side. The bed's made up into one king bed. A lamp on that side. There's a light switch in the middle, and this is an ocean view, so you have the picture window here. And you have your TV right up here, just your small TV. There is a little cabinet right here that has your safe in it to store your valuables. Not a very big safe in here. The bathroom, your standard Carnival bathroom with your shower gels and your shampoo. And there you go. Your light switch is there. Light switch is there. And there's your thermostat. And this is a aft room 1457 or 1475, one of the two. I showed it at the beginning. But this is an interior room, actually ocean view room. This is an ocean view room on the Carnival Freedom.